This is a PDF document of some math task cards that I might typically print off and laminate for math workstations in my classroom. By looking in the upper left-hand corner, you can see that my MacBook has opened this document in Preview. In Preview, you can hide or view these page thumbnails by clicking on the menu on the left-hand side. In this document, my pages are facing the wrong direction. I can flip them by clicking on this Rotate button in the upper right-hand corner. Now I'm ready to teach my students how they can mark right on top of these digital task cards. In order to use the markup features in Preview, click on this pen tool in the upper right-hand corner to reveal all of the different editing tools that are available. I'm going to click on this marker tool first to work out the first problem. To use the marker tool on my MacBook, I'll need to click and hold down on my trackpad as I use the marker tool to draw. Now I'll click on the thumbnail for page 1 to record my answer. I can use the marker tool to write down my answer, and I can also click on the T to insert a text box. The text box was inserted in the middle of the page, so I'll grab it and drag it up to number 1 here so I can insert my answer. If I click on the letter A at the end of the tools, I can change the size of the text, the font, the color, I can underline, I can boldface, I can do all sorts of things with the text that I just inserted. The other thing I may want to do is delete some of the extra pages I have in my document. There is an answer page at the end that I want to delete. I'm going to click on the thumbnail and press the delete key on my keyboard and you'll see it disappear. I may choose to delete some more pages if I wanted to give my students fewer problems. Now that I've chosen to give them fewer problems, I might cross off some of these answer choice boxes at the end. I'll use the marker tool to do that. The pen tool to the left of my marker is nice because it straightens out my crooked lines. Here's another way I might use Preview with my students. This is a PDF of a poem I've used in my class before. I might ask my students to use different colors of highlighters in the PDF tool to highlight the rhyming words in the first stanza. Then they can add text boxes to indicate the rhyme scheme. The markup tools in Preview allow me to add shapes as well. Here's an important line I need to remember. I can also change the color and the thickness of all of the markups I choose to add to my document. Nice work!